I'm back here with a look at Gala games. Last time we talked about this, we had this trend line right here, okay? We talked about a breakout up to this area. All right, so we're going to cover that in a second. It looks like that we're ready to go. All right, if we zoom out on a daily, look at this thing. All right, this looks like a pot. We'll see. All right, to me, this looks like a possible wave 4 pullback and then a push up. If this is a wave 1, 2, let's measure this out with a trend-based fib. All right, from bottom to the top to the retracement. Look at this. This would give Gala a target up around 11.4 if this works out right. Okay, we would have a 1, 2, 3. Sorry, a little bit messed up there, and a push up for a 5. All right, the way you measure a 5 wave, though, quite honestly, is you take your fib right up top here. We're going to get rid of this a second, okay? Right on top of your wave 3, down to the bottom of your wave 4. Let's see what kind of target that is. Then we're going to look at the RSIs and see where this thing's going and some price targets. All right, 11. Okay, now the trend-based fib, if we use it, what do we get? I'm trying to get as perfect as I can. Look at this. Both of them line up pretty darn close. All right, 11.2 and 11. I would say that is where Gala's going. These things both line up perfectly. If stuff's lining up perfectly and looking right, then that's probably what's going to happen. Now we got to look at the RSIs and some price targets here to see, because it's going to have to break a price area up here for this to happen. And Bitcoin is about ready to go, it looks like. All right, let me show you this. This is on an 8-hour. All right, you have resistance right here. And before I forget, guys, please check out level 3. We have 200 members now. You get 9 hours of videos to teach you how to do this stuff, to teach you how to trade, look for price targets for your tokens. I don't cover everything you carry. I show you how to look for price targets for the bull run. You got to have targets, and I show you how to get them. I show you how to draw trend lines. I show you how to use MEXC for leverage trading, because you get a link to our trading membership also. 22 videos, 9 hours of videos, and a link to our trading membership where we are killing trades every day for 15 bucks. All right, that's as cheap as you're gonna find. I guarantee it. I've seen ones out there where they charge $500-$600 to be in our trading group. We got some great traders over there. Miner Boy, noted trader. There's so many over there. There's a list, a lot. All right, we killed some trades this morning. Solana, Polygon, a couple big ones on there, 180%, 120%. Some big trades going down. So check it out. If you're interested, come join up for 15 bucks. Watch the videos, and I guarantee you will be a better trader at the end. Okay? We had 5 waves down here for Gala. You can see them perfectly. All right? Let's go with 1, 2. Here's 3, there's 4, and there's 5. And how would you measure the wave 5? Just like we did with the big one here. To see if that was a bottom for it, you would take wave 3, back to wave 4. There's your target, the 1618, and right here for Bitcoin, 61,872. And it just wicked above that a little bit. All right, Bitcoin, all the RSIs on it are reset. Look at this. The 8-hour is heading straight up, oversold. When you're on top, price is pulling down. When you're on the bottom here, price is pushing up. The 12-hour, look at that, just starting out at 18 and a 9. And the daily. All right, there it is. If Bitcoin has a closing candle above $70,000 on a daily, this thing's heading probably up towards 80,000 bucks. All right, and it looks like it's going to. This huge bullish engulfing candle here pretty much engulfed this red candle. Bitcoin is looking awesome. Now let's get back over to Gala. Well, look at the crypto bubbles real quick. Look at this. This is for the day. There's Pepe, Fetch. I love Fetch. Block stacks. I got to do a block stacks video. I haven't done that for a long time. A lot of stuff popping out there. Everything. Caspa is up 10%. That thing is going to make a run here. Matic looks like it's going to make a huge run. This could be a very good week, guys. super weak. All right, Gala, I love Gala. I held a ton of Gala the last bull run. You wouldn't believe how cheap, for $37. I got a quarter of a million Gala for 37 bucks. Bought it like the first or second day it launched. That's unbelievable. And it went to 84 cents. And no, I didn't sell the top. I wish I would. That would have been unbelievable. That would have been what? It was close to 200 grand for over a $37 trade. Isn't that crazy? Unbelievable. You can see Gala has broke resistance here. Now, the big area for this thing, we're going to have to move it over. So I'll put it on here first and see if we're in the same area or if it's came down at all. Yeah, it came down a little bit. This thing should be right. I can't move it. All right, let's just get rid of it. This is going to be the price area that Gala is going to have to bust through. All right, I'm going to put it up here for you. Right here's my rectangle. This area right through here. All right, that's the area. If Gala breaks that, this thing's heading up towards the 11-cent area. Okay, 10, 11 cents, that's 10, 9, 11. The trend-based fib said 11, and this thing says right around 11. All right, so if Gala breaks above, what is that, 7.6 roughly, call it 7.5. There's 7.9. If we have a daily closing candle above 7.6, 7.7, all right, this thing is totally broke out. It broke this down here, the RSIs, the 4-hour. Look at it, just turning up. That's the 8-hour. I'm sorry. Here's the 4-hour, getting towards the top a little bit. The 12. Just starting at 21 and a 10. This thing looks beautiful. Everything does. The 4 and the 3. Gala's ready to pop. All right. This could end up being. Let me show you. And nothing's guaranteed. All right. It all depends on Bitcoin. All this, but it really is lining up beautifully. Oh my. Wow. If you're in our trading group, you might want to check this out because this could turn out, a 10x, you're going to 8x your money. 8x it. So if you have $1,000 on this trade, you could quite possibly turn that into 8. And, if you're using 20x leverage, I like to go a little heavy sometimes, especially on a fresh break, a trend. 20x, you're going to 16x your money if this thing runs up here to 11 cents. All right, if Bitcoin does what it looks like it's going to do, and every token out there looks like this, but most of them, all the ones I cover, Bone, Caspa, Bitcoin, a lot of them, all right, have this same exact pullback right here. So could be a huge week coming up, guys. So buckle up. Keep an eye on these price levels. Anything above 7.6, 7.7 on a daily close, that will be considered a breakout, and this thing is going to go right up here, 0.087, this yellow line. That was the last top here. That's going to show some resistance, and then it heading towards 11 cents. All right, thanks a lot. Please go check out a level 3, guys. We'd love to have you. The trading membership is awesome. That's the cherry on top. That thing's worth a lot more than 15 bucks. We're killing some trades. All right, have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.